Okay, so in this question, we're going to actually do two shorter questions. The first one here, it says a range check is used to check that a value input is above 10 and below 20. Tick one box to show which value would be accepted. So this is obviously just checking that you know how to test. If you've got a program, you're making sure that it's going to work correctly. And basically whether you know whether it's greater than or less than or equal to, they really like you to know the difference between these evaluators. So if we think about this, we've got to have a value that's above 10, so that's basically 11, and below 20, so that would be 19. So anything between 11 and 19, so above 10, below 20, would be accepted. So that means it's not 10, it's 15 would be accepted because that's in between 11 and 19 inclusive. 20 wouldn't be accepted and 30 is too big, so it's B. Okay, and the second question here, it says 4 programming concepts and 4 descriptions are shown. Draw one line to connect each programming concept to the most appropriate description. So for the first one, we've got a library routine, we've got structure diagram, a procedure and a function. So again, see if you can work out which one is which. Pause the video if you like. And I'm just going to go through. So a library routine is a standard routine that is available for immediate use. It's basically code written by someone else that we can use. For example, random number generator, or tkinter, which is the Windows programming in Python, or Python Turtle. There's lots of other examples, but that's a few examples of library routines. Then we've got a structure diagram. So a structure diagram is the last one here, an overview of a program or subroutine. So it gives us the hierarchy. A procedure is a subroutine that may not return a value. And then finally, a function then is a subroutine that can be used in an assignment statement. So for example, an example of that would be in Python, we could use input, and you would say input equals, or sorry, user input equals input. And we're using the input library code, funnily enough, and that returns. So what it's saying is a subroutine can be used in an assignment statement, and we're actually assigning something with whatever is returned with input.